Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, add your physical or virtual bank card to Apple Wallet now. Next, enable Express Transit mode for Omni in wallet settings to skip authentication. Confirm your device supports power reserve and keep it charged. Power reserve works up to 5 hours after battery depletion. Know the Subway single fare is. Nyc and Omni handles transfers within a 2-hour window. If your card issuer blocks contactless payments, contact them before you ride. Approach the yellow Omni reader at the turnstile and tap your device. Hold your iPhone or Apple Watch within 3 to 4 inches of the reader until you hear a beep. Do not double tap because multiple taps may create separate 90 charges. If the gate does not open, read the white message on the reader and proceed to the station agent for help. Keep your device case thin and remove metal attachments if the reader struggles to detect your device. After your ride, open Apple Wallet to review recent Omni transactions and verify charges. If you see unexpected 90 charges, note the time and station before contacting Omni customer service. Use Express Transit to avoid Face ID or Touch ID prompts when passing through gates during busy commutes. For disputed charges, contact your bank and Omni with transaction details and the station time. If your device
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.